Tourism is the lifeline of the Turks and Caicos economy, and visitors are immersed in the sun, sand, and sea. The islands are bathed in sunlight throughout the year, and our customer solar programs draw on this clean energy source to help power what matters to you.
We're very much into sustainable energy and trying to reduce our carbon footprint as much as possible. And the same goes for our guests. You know, that's what they look for to us as well, as being leaders in looking towards new innovations to reduce our carbon footprint.
Ritz Carlton TCI is one of our UORE program partners with a 223.5 kilowatt system blanketing the resort's leased rooftop space that feeds clean energy to the national grid.
It makes me feel very proud that the island and the companies here are looking forward to sustainable energy here. I think it's extremely important. We want to look to protecting the environment for our children and our grandchildren, and looking towards the future is just extremely important.
The system generates an estimated 331,167 kilowatt hours of electricity annually and prevents 241 tons in CO2 emissions.
At the end of the year, together with Fortis, either we get a monetary compensation or we get a deduction from our bill. So with that partnership, it works for us.
Under the UORE program, eligible residential customers can install up to 10 kilowatts, and commercial customers can install up to 500 kilowatts in solar energy systems. Under the program, the solar system is purchased, installed, and maintained by Fortis TCI at no cost to the customer.
This leasing agreement is something that was astounding for me, because you have a partner that is forward-thinking in regards that they see renewable energy as important, but not only talking about it, but taking actions on it.
Our innovative customer solar energy programs build mutually beneficial partnerships. Our goal is to integrate 5 megawatts in renewable energy generation with utility-scale solar installations over the next 5 years, expanding customer renewable energy programs and battery storage technology.